Hey, let me show you some exciting updates to MMS Marketer. This release is version 1.5, and what we have here, the biggest updates relate to managing multiple clients or sub-user accounts under your main account. So I'm logged in here as an administrator, and I have the same, campaign management things. But if you go into account, we have some new options here. Let's look at one of the cool, there's several cool things, but let's look at the branding. You can now create new branding options. So let me update this so you can see how we can change the logo, the icon, the name of the plugin, all that stuff. So what I have, I've uploaded a new logo. I'm changing the actual name of the plugin, and that's what shows up down at the bottom here. And also the menu text, as you can see, is now the supersonic MMS, and I'm just making up a name here, and then there's a new icon I use. So, and that's the icon that shows up on the left. So we have a totally different look and feel as far as the branding. The look and feel is generally the same. What we're changing is we're hiding everything that has to do with phone array or MMS Marketer, so that your clients, when they log in, they're going to see your brand, whatever it is. So your logo up here, the name of the service or whatever you want to call it in the menu here, an icon here that would kind of correlate to your logo. The name even down here is changed and updated. Okay, so that's with the new branding options. Let me go ahead and I need to resave these. So let's go into the next thing, which is packages. This allows you to define usage parameters, and let's take a quick look there. So if we go into one of these, I've already defined a couple. Let's click on one to edit. I can show you there's just a few settings. One is the package name. That can be whatever you want, but it is visible to the end user inside of their account. So they will see that they are subscribed to, in this case, the basic 100 package. They have a maximum of one phone number available in their account at any given time, and they can have up to 100 leads generated per month. So it's up to you what you charge for this. So let's say you charged 50 cents a lead that's generated, or that was your average, what you wanted to average out the price or the cost. So you would charge, say, $50 a month, and that client could have one phone number and up to 100 leads. You could say they can have up to 2 phone numbers, but no more than 100 leads, that sort of thing. That is up to you. Currently, you'll have to manually set up their account, but then you can assign this package to them. A future update will have an automated process of this, but for now, you can define your packages and assign these packages to various users. So if I look at the users here, this is just a list of users on the plugin, and I can click to modify or assign a package to any of these users. So I can say this is a Pro 500 and so on. It also shows how many phone numbers they're using of the ones they have available. So 0, 0, 2 of 5, 0 of 1, etc. And then this column here is how many leads they've generated in the current month. So 3 of 500, 0 of 100, and so forth. So those are the main updates that you see on the admin side of things. Let's go ahead and see what the user sees. Okay, so I'm logged in as a subscriber. This is a new user account you can create in WordPress just like you normally would, except that you assign them a package from inside the plugin where I showed you before. This one, you can see I have the Pro 500 package. You can see I've generated 3 leads this month, and so it's tracking how many leads and it's letting me know I have up to 500. So let's go ahead and, well, you also notice that we have the logo here that I added, the menu, text, the icon, the name of the plugin down here. So it's all anything to do with phone array, or it's all hidden. So you can make this appear to be completely your own. And then any updates that come along, all this information is saved, so you don't have to be you don't have to worry about losing any of that. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of a campaign, and I'll show you a couple of differences. Mainly now the user can buy phone numbers right from inside the campaign area here. There's no longer an area to go under account here. So everything to do with the phone numbers and all that is right here in the campaign area. So I have a couple in here already, but if I had 0 or no phone numbers, there'd be an alert saying I needed to buy one. Here now, since I have 2, I can buy another one if I want, since I'm allowed up to 5. And I can search right inside the dialog here. And then I can find a number I like and go ahead and click buy, and it's just going to confirm. I'll just cancel for now. And finally, I can click on the manage button, and I can see the phone numbers I have here, and if I want, I can just remove it from my account if I'm done with it. So those are the main changes here for the plugin. I believe this really begins to open the door to just onboarding clients. Future updates will have automated methods for adding clients, more sophisticated reporting, that sort of thing. But for now, this gets you in business with easily setting up new clients under your own branding and being able to place some limits on them as far as the number of phone numbers. Now, just keep in mind, you'll need to do the billing yourself. This could easily be done with, say, PayPal buttons, subscribe buttons, where someone could, on your website, subscribe to the Pro package or the whatever packages you define over here. It's unlimited on how many packages you want to create, and how you want to market them is up to you. So, but like I said, the future updates will have a little more, a few more tools to help get you going in that way. But for now, we have all the pieces in place, I believe, to help you be able to bring on new users and then manage the usage for that particular person. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and look forward to hearing back from you on how things are going for you. Thanks.